Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Craftube Flosstube. My name is Tia and you've reached my channel here on YouTube where I share all my crafty bits and pieces. You know what? I'm sick of saying that. I need to change it. But anyway, you're probably sick of hearing me say it too. So today I have a floss tube for you. You may hear a little bit of background noise. My daughter came home last night for Christmas, so I've got 3 of them here. So they're getting ready to go out, and it's my youngest daughter's 17th birthday, so they've already been out for breakfast this morning. It's 7:45 and now they're getting ready to go shopping, so you may hear them banging around and carrying on in the background. So first of all, we will start with our virtual hugs as always, and they go out to Judith, Sharon and Cheryl. Thank you very much for your lovely comments and coming and hanging out with me. I do appreciate it. So yeah, right, mindfulness cards. Let's do those. We'll start with who are you today? Something a bit different. Let's have a look. Self-awareness. When do you feel the most motivated and content? Motivated is in the morning, early in the morning. I like to get things done early. I suppose after a good night's sleep it's always the best time for me. And content, probably when I've had a good productive day. So that is that one. Who are you? Now, mindfulness. Let's have a wee look. What have we got in here? Today we've got kindness, and it says, smiled and the world smiles with you. Make a conscious note to smile at those you interact with today. Notice how it makes you feel, as well as how they respond. I'll do that. Okay, so that is kindness. Right, those are those two. Let's get into some stitching. Right, what have we got? Travel stitching. So my travel stitching piece is Lizzie Kate's Wouldn't Life Be Great? And I've done a tiny bit on this. Let's get that thread out the way. So this is this piece. Now if we put it down there, and all I have done is I think I've done the A and the S, and that's it. So this is what it will look like, and it says, wouldn't life be great if sweatpants were sexy, Mondays were fun, junk food was good for you, girls didn't cause so much drama, guys weren't so confusing, and saying goodbye only meant until tomorrow. So that is that one. And then the next piece I worked on was my piece that I'm doing with the Fat Quarter Shop, and that is an hands-on design. So it's, oh god, those lights. A Year of Celebrations continues, season 2, and I'm working on the December block. I'm going to put it back in the back. That might be a good idea. And so I hadn't started this last week, but I've made a start on it now, which is good. Let's just pop it on here. Try and flatten it out a little bit. Right, sorry, where was I? I think I was showing you where I was up to on this. So I've started the December block, which is little row of holly berries and vines for December. Still got a lot more to go. There's a row of houses and snow, and it's very, very pretty. So that is the start of my December block for my hands-on design piece in the Fat Quarter Shop. So that is that one. And then the next one I worked on was my stitching from last week, which was Miss Christmas Eve by Nora Corbett and Mirabilia. Where am I going to put these? Right. And this is what it will look like when it's finished. In here somewhere. So this is what she will look like when she's finished. Oh gosh, how am I going to do this? Hang on, let me try turning one of these off. I think it's that one. Yeah, right. That's what she will look like when she's finished. And when you last saw it, I'd only done a little bit on her skirt down here, and I'd done the dark shading in her bodice. So this is what she looks like now. So I've done a little bit more around here, and I've done all of her bodice. So she's looking very, very pretty. So that's Miss Christmas Eve. Now, next week's stitching is going to be, which I'm very excited about, is London by Thea Governor. Put that there. Can't wait to put some stitches onto this week. I've only done some of the pillars on St Paul's Cathedral, but I can't wait to do some on this. So that is my stitching. Let me just move all of these out of the way. Got no space. Pop that there. Right. I haven't done much else. I haven't done any other crafting this week. I've been at work every day. Got work tonight. And then tomorrow off. So yes, not a lot has been happening. I've got a little bit of haul, not stitching related, but I didn't have any Christmas washi tape, so I got this from Officeworks. We've got an Officeworks that's just, well, in September opened about 2 minutes from us, and Officeworks is my second most favourite store on the planet. So I got some Christmas washi tape. It was only $3.99, so that'll be used in my December daily journal, which I haven't done any work in. And the other thing I did do was I made a junk journal for all of my finished projects for next year. So I'm going to document in the journal with a photo the project, supplies that I used, when I finished it, and any other relevant information that I want to put in there. So this is the journal that I made. So that's the front cover. These are digitals by Tracy Fox Creative on YouTube, and if you haven't watched Tracy, oh, you have to. She's just absolutely hysterical. She's in the UK, and she is very, very clever. So I used those two. I've put lace on the spine and seam binding for the closure, and when you open it, those are all my junk journal pages, so that will just be filled with all of my projects. So there's 11 sheets of paper which doubles to, I think it's like, I don't even know, but I've got enough pages in there to put some projects in. So that is that. But I think that's about it from me. It's a nice quick one today. I'm going to go and do some stitching on London and just enjoy most of my day off before I have to go to work this afternoon. And the girls are going shopping. My son's still asleep. But that's about it from me. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and a very safe and happy and Merry Christmas if I don't see you before then. But otherwise, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.